Attention contractors! Want to get more deals inked at that kitchen table? Tired of trying to explain the insurance claim process to property owners that just don't get it? Do you have newer sales associates that need help at all those kitchen tables? Getting burned out training your people? Check out the new SVGU virtual sales pitch, where I make the virtual sales pitch for you and your company directly to your property owner. Using a new virtual sales pitch is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Knock the door or run the lead. 2. Press play. While you're on the roof or performing the property inspection, simply hand that property owner your iPad or iPhone and press play. The SVGU virtual sales pitch plays from inside SVGU and can be used to quickly educate your property owner on the storm, the entire insurance claim process, how to file a claim, why they need to ink the deal, the adjustment process, the production process, supplements, even the final check process to collection from start to finish. 3. In less than 10 minutes, about the same time it takes to complete your inspection, I will have already explained the entire insurance restoration process from filing the claim to the field adjustment to the supplements and picking up the final check, getting your customer ready to sign your initial agreement. The new SVGU virtual sales pitch will help both newer and older sales associates and anyone at your company improve their signing ratio of new contracts, greatly decreasing the time to sell and close deals by educating the property owner in a professional manner on the entire insurance claim process from A to Z. Furthermore, I will edify your company and your sales associates during the virtual sales pitch for enrolling and completing SVGU training and certification, which is the best industry-specific training for roofing and restoration companies in the $100 billion insurance restoration industry. The all-new SVGU virtual sales pitch is only available to existing or newly enrolled members of SVG University.